In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Microsoft Excel file, whether it's due to a system crash, accidental closure, or simply forgetting to hit save. Let's dive right in to make sure you can get your important data back without a hitch. First, let's talk about one of the fastest methods to recover your Excel files, auto recover. If you find yourself in a situation where Excel closed unexpectedly, like after a crash, or you just forgot to save your changes, don't worry. There's a handy feature Microsoft has built into Excel to help with just this situation. Go ahead and reopen Microsoft Excel. Once it's up and running, keep an eye out for something called the document recovery pane. You'll usually see this on the left side of your screen, and it's like a lifeline to your most recent work. Here, Excel will display a list of the last auto-saved versions of your files. Simply click on the version of the file you'd like to restore. Once it opens, make sure to save a fresh copy immediately. To do this, use the Save As option and choose a new location on your computer to ensure you don't overwrite anything accidentally. Now, what if the auto recover pane doesn't show up? Don't worry, there's still another option. You can manually search for any unsaved versions of your work. Head over to the File tab at the top left of your Excel window. From there, click on Open. You'll notice a list showing all your recent files, but what we need is at the very bottom of this list, so switch over to the Recent tab. Once there, keep scrolling down until you spot the button labeled Recover Unsaved Workbooks. Click on it. What happens next is a folder will pop up filled with temporarily stored files that you haven't yet saved. Scan through this folder to locate the version of the file you're trying to recover and go ahead and open it. When the file opens, you might notice a yellow bar across the top of the window. Click the Save As button in that bar to save your file permanently to a location you know is safe. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Excel files quickly and effectively. Remember, whether using auto recover or manually searching, both methods are designed to make sure you don't lose any of your valuable work. Now you can continue working with peace of mind, knowing that your data is just a few clicks away from being safely restored. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials.